Hey pretties, periods can be painful, messy, and just plain annoying, but they don't have to ruin your day. Today, I'm sharing must-know period tips every girl should follow to feel more confident, clean, and comfortable, even on your worst cycle days. Let's make that time of the month a little easier. Start with your essentials. Whether you're a pad girl, tampon user, or love your menstrual cup, always carry backups. A small pouch with wipes, extra underwear, and pain relievers is a total game changer. Oh, and don't forget, cotton underwear, more breathability and less irritation. Cramping? Don't just suffer in silence. A heating pad, herbal teas like chamomile or ginger, and gentle stretching can seriously help. Also, magnesium-rich foods like bananas or dark chocolate? Yes, please. Keeping clean is key. Change your pad or tampon every 3 to 4 hours and always wipe front to back. Use gentle, unscented soaps and stay hydrated. You'd be surprised how much water helps with bloating and mood swings. Hormones can mess with your mood. Take care of your mind too. Light a candle, do some journaling, or put on a cute outfit, even if you're just at home. Confidence is a mindset, and you still deserve to feel pretty on your period. Remember, girls, your period is not a weakness, it's a superpower. Take care of yourself, stay informed, and always prioritize comfort. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your bestie. Stay glowing, even on your flow days.